Okay, so what is telecommunicating? So today we're going to see that is what is what is telecommunicating. Okay, telecom. Okay, so today's topic is this. Okay, let's see then. Okay, so previous lecture we have seen about what paint, carpet, and toner, then rich, rechargeable battery. Means we have seen the pollute, right? Source of pollute and how can we can manage this. So this all parts we have seen in previous lectures. So in today's point is about what is telecommunicating. So telecommuting is a good option to help reduce your environment impact. So this one is a good option which can help the means which can reduce your environment impact. Telecommuting is often wrongly received as a vacation and workers note having to do their share of the work. A human resource consulting fire conduct its own survey, 936 large companies. Its results show that 32% of these companies offer telecommuting opportunity in 2004. It was a 1% increase over the prior year. Okay, so here, what is telecommuting we are watching, right? So I said that telecommuting is a good option to help the reduce your environmental impact. But the meaning of this teleworking, that is a technology or various implement for green computing. This is the one of the technology which are implement for green computing initiative and many advantages including lower greenhouse gas emission. It's low reduce the greenhouse gas emission related to the travel, then great worker stratification, and as a result of lower overhead office cost increase profit margin. So this is the one of the technology. Okay, so Sun Microsoft System operation, it was telecommunicating program called I Work with IT workers can work from home or they need to they can drive to it. Flexible work center here when they need an office around the world. Sun has one flexible office location. Telecommuting is not simple. In order to make it work, companies need to determine which job category should be eligible, then guidelines, and determine which job categories should be eligible, then guidelines and performance goals need to be established. So here guideline goals need to be established. The company also need to be decide what equipment it should provide and develop training for employees and managers. How to do it? How to do it? So here, setting up telecommuting program is a reasonable, straightforward if these steps are taken, like accessing and measuring performance. That is accessing, okay, assessing and measuring the performance, measuring the performance. So here, the performance standards should be established and should be the same as those for office based employee who perform same duties. Telecomputers must also receive the same training and information as office based. Don't forget, telecomputers should also get the same consideration as their office based pays for personal transaction such as promotion, transfer, and the like. Then rules. So work rules. Okay, so in work rules, substance abuse and negligible uh, to work product or hours are important. So here work hours are important. Telecommunication must also follow the same rules and regulation as a regular office employee, right? So telecommunication is a technology which is how to work like a regular office employees, where substance abuse or negligible pertaining to the work product or hours are important. Like this, telecommunicate computers must also allow follow the same rules and regulation as a regular office employees. So then review the request, review the request. Okay. So some employees will want to be telecommunicate, while other way simply want to come to the office. So here some employees will want to commute, while other employees simply want to come to the office. In order to find the categories human resource, staff should consider developing telecommunic guidelines, which should be three steps process. For means in this a three-step process like pre-approval, pre-approval. So in this, what I am said that in order to find the categories human resource staff should consider developing telecommunicating guidelines. Okay, so pre-approval in this here, employees incident in telecommunicating fill out worksheet that the organization can use to evaluate their suitability for telecommunicating issue. Consider in a pre-approval worksheet include like core work hours. Okay, so here a pre-approval is include like core work hours. Okay, then pre-approval of employees workspace at home. Then identification of an alternate work seat in case of employee can't work at the first site. So sure that employees has the appropriate equipment to safely perform their job without risk in injury. Satisfy the guidelines should also be in place. Then approval. So here, if human resource deems the employee suitable for telecommuting, the employee and organization complete agreement that spells out the specific of the telecommunicating arrangement. Ongoing monitoring. Third one is a okay. This is the second one is approval. Okay, this is a first point is a pre-approval. Then second point is a approval. So in approval, what happened here? If human resource deems the employee suitable for telecommunicating, the employees and organization, both employee and organization, complete an agreement that spell out the specific of telecommunicating arrangement. Then third one is ongoing monitoring. Ongoing monitoring. So here the organization should regularly review each telecommunicating arrangement to ensure that the criteria originally established continue to be met. Other issue that the organization need to be aware of and that the employee should sign off on include. The company should pay for dedicated telephone line for business purpose and monthly bills must be reviewed properly. Responsibility for additional cost related to the starting that telecommunicating operation such as installing a broadband internet connection, second telephone line and so forth need to be established upfront. So a responsibility for additional costs related to the starting the telecommunicating operation like installing the broadband internet connection, then second is the telephone line and so forth. The employee should have whomever insurance general liability coverage. and provide designated person, okay, at the agency with evidence of this insurance. The employer should be in the ongoing monitoring. We have seen some points like the company should pay for this dedicated telephone line for business purpose, right? And monthly bill must be reviewed properly. So this is ongoing monitoring. The company should be paid to the employee, right? Then here the employee should have home homeowner homeowners insurance, generally liability coverage, and provide a designated person at the agency with evidence of this insurance. So here the employer should conduct regular face-to-face meetings, okay, with the staff to bring people together. This could vary from once a week to once a month, right? Then facility like instance messaging and possibly video conference capabilities connect HR employees together. So then the company should notify the employee that it is their responsibility to notify their insurance about working from home. If there is a additional charge for the coverage, payment needs to be negotiated between the worker and business. And then the organization needs to have written documentation of what business property is being located at the employee's home. So if the telecomputer is working on the computer, a plan need to be in the place that spells out what will happen if the computer is down. So this is about the ongoing monitoring. Okay. Then fourth is the monitoring. Okay. Monitoring. Okay. Monitoring. So let's take what is in monitoring. Once the telecommunication computing system is set, some regular monitoring is required to make sure things are going as planned. Some monitoring ideas include like review each telecommunicating arrangement at least 1 year to make sure the criteria originally established continue to be met. Then conduct the periodic site website, okay, visit at least once per year to evaluate and ensure minimum safety requirement are being met. If there are problems, the telecomputer should correct them per your arrangement. If site visit are 100, they should be performed by a qualified, satisfied specialist who can conduct an economic assessment. Get annual certificates in this insurance coverage from each telecommunicating employee. In the even an injury, the business should gather as a much specified information as possible. This information will help the workers adjuster determine whether the injury was worker related. Means if someone injured, okay, here, so they have to company have to pay and they have to cross check whether the was injured was the worker related, right? So if the third party express damage, the business should gather as much information as possible to determine whether the damages were created. Okay, so this is about the telecommunicating. Okay, so having some rules and regulation which we have to follow here. Then outsourcing. How can telecommunicating be achieved by outsourcing? How can telecommunicating telecomputing achieved by outsourcing? Okay, outsourcing. Okay, by outsourcing. Okay, so let's discuss here this point. So by outsourcing the telecommunicating work, organization can reap huge benefits. Factors needs to consider like monthly savings. So here having some factors which we have to discuss in these, like month net salary, okay, net free savings, sorry, saving. So in this, outsourcing can save tons of money or allow you to break even at best, depending on the how well you prepare, how well you select an outsourced services provider, and how well they all tackle your project. So but when done right, the cost saving are definitely there. So in this, outsourcing can save tons of money or allow you to break even at best, depending on how well you prepare. Okay, how well you select an outsource services. So lost job, suppose. So second form factor is that lost jobs. So here, through properly believe that outsourcing result in lost jobs. In reality, it creates job. Means through properly believe that outsourcing is with the results in the lost job, but reality it creates job. According to study by the Information Technology Association of America, okay, that is ITA, estimate that by 2010, 33 jobs will be created in the addition to those lost outsourcing. ITAA, that is Technology Association, Information Technology Association of America, study also estimate that outsourcing will save companies $20.9 billion by 2007. So someone consider that because of outsourcing, all people can lose their job, but reality is that with the help of this it achieve the job. This create the jobs, and it's help in means study of 2007 that ITAA study also estimate that outsourcing will save companies, that is the $20.9 billion by 2008. Then environmental impact. So here environmental impact, environmental environment environment impact. Let's see it. So in this, if one of your reason for outsourcing is to lessen your environmental impact, then care must be taken that company handling your outsourcing is not being environmentally irresponsible. According to the group Brown Whislan Group, outsourcing industry consulting frame says report Black Book of Outsourcing 2007. In 2007, 43% of companies that were first time outsourced included green factors in their decision making process. The study also found that 94% of publicly traded companies intend to add green clauses when they means agreement. Only 36% of privately owned companies are considered such move. The study seems to show that individuals are partially responsible for the green moves. However, it may also to be the case that by investing in green companies, socially responsible company can gain against their company because of cost reduction, quality improvement, increased profit, and access to new markets. How to outsource? How to outsource? Outsource. Okay. Outsourcing is becoming more and more popular as a way to cut costs in order to outsource a project. The following issue need to be addressed. Means become a more and more popular. Okay, um, as well as to cut costs. In order to outsource project, following issue need to be addressed like planning. So planning. So in this, when you outsource, you need to truly explain what you want to outsourcing service provider. Means you have to truly explain what you want to the outsourcing service provider to accomplish. Before looking for an outsourcing service, you need to understand the following step, like the scope of the work. You need to understand the scope of the work. Scope of the work or whatever you're going to make project. Okay, then the level of effort expected, the level the level of efforts expected. Okay, then the schedule. Okay, then the schedule, then the performance goal, the performance goal. So these points should be considered come under the planning. Okay, so how to do outsourcing? So outsourcing is a becoming more and more popular as way to cut cost. In order to outsource, project following issues need to be addressed, like planning. When you outsource, you need to truly explain what you want to outsourcing service provider accomplish. Before looking for outsourcing service, you need to understand the following things like the scope of work, the level of the efforts expected, the schedule, and the performance goal. Then project milestones must be created because facility and scoping study establish scope of the work, the milestones and the budget. Although this start to or study can be costly, there are definitely benefits such as following like project requirement and specification are clearly established before any work begins. Okay, so here what type of requirement we require and we have to specify clearly. Okay, then project can be reconciled with their budget, so it can be reconciled with their budget. Suppose if it turns out the project is not feasible, it can be cancelled before too much time, money and efforts are committed. Quite often project fail because specifications were not determined before the work began. So we have to mention some point, we have to work on some point. Otherwise we can fail, means fail project can be fail or yes. Okay, so we have to focus on some points. Then success strategies, success strategy. Okay, so in this when outsourcing there are some factors that need to be considered in order to move ahead productivity. Okay, productivity. Do not expect to see cost saving from your outsourcing project at the once. A lot of times you must support duplicate efforts until the transaction is complete. Realize should always be there that another company is performing the work. Hence, it is best to work with the outsourcing service provider as flexible as possible. Mistakes and performance problem will occur. However, if some of these mistakes can be anticipated for in the work plan and on real time occurrence are handled with professionalism, it can lead to long term benefit. If the outsourcing project involves a call centers, many service providers have live call monitoring capability. This allow monitoring of work done in real time. Then third point is payment. So in this invoicing payment will vary based on the project, the size of the outsourcing service provider, and the work show comparison of size companies and how billing the payment normally works. Price will vary based on the company size and type of the number staff on site. Means large outsourced service providing provider size large suppose. The billing and payment terms normally work under advance payment arrangement. They usually require 15 or 13 days worth payment in advance. Then suppose mid size and small billing and payment terms. Okay, so if it is a outsourced service provide like mid size and small, so here billing and payment terms having like billing normally done weekly with payment due after a week. Rates are based on the production times, which is the defined as a time customer service agent actually spends long onto the phone system and can take calls. A payroll hall usually provides about 45 minutes of production time. Then maintenance. So here, once the plan is made, a provider is selected, everyone has been trained, and the program is motion, things need to run smoothly. Make sure the provider calls each monitoring to check in even if there is a no news to report. You can at least sure you have consist information coming in and you will be able to keep upon issues. Reporting is a particularly important, especially if you have metrics that are granular enough to show the work of specific agent. If the metrics look unusual, you can invest and find out what is going on. Sure that service provider has an action plan in place in case a problem arise. Finding service provider. In order to find good service provider, so following steps we have to use, like and research. No companies can be approached for the recommendation providers that are not so good. Potential providers can be asked for client reference in that are not so good. So potential providers can be asked for client reference in order find out how effective the companies. Previous capability. Find a company that understand your particular needs. Develop a contact that allows you to agreement and changes occur daily. Let's set your standards. Because your company will be represented by another company outside of your direct control, you need to stabilize standards by which the other company will behave. List these details in contact and check up on the service provider from time to time to make sure uh, they are being followed. Don't get caught with your pants down. Have a backup plan in a place in case service provider cannot carry through on their ends of the web. If they fail or things fall through, there should be backup ready to complete the assessment. Okay, so you need to ready the backup ready to complete to assignment. So this is all about the telecomputing, which having some point like outsourcing. Then we see the maintenance and all. So okay, so today's lecture over here. Thank you.
Any problem? Yes. आयुष गांधी रिक्षेचा टायमिंग काय होतो आपला? येस आयुष. हॅलो बोल रिप्लाय मी व्हॉइस येते ना माझी? हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
समजलं लेक्चर? येस. लेक्चर समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can
Yes,
leave now.
ma'am.
Okay, you can leave now. Lecture over.